Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of caramel apple butterscotch pudding. This pudding is so delicious and just melts in your mouth. If you like apple and butterscotch flavor, you are definitely gonna love this pudding. Without further delay, let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to caramelize some sugar. Take half a cup of sugar in a pan. Heat the sugar at low flame. When the sugar starts to melt, give it a stir so that it cooks evenly. If you over caramelize the sugar means it will give bitter taste to the pudding. Switch off the flame when you reach this amber color. It resembles like honey, so this is the right consistency. Immediately transfer this caramelized sugar into the 7-inch cake tin. Just fill the baking tin like this so that the caramel sugar spreads evenly. Keep it aside so that it cools down. For the pudding mix, I have powdered 4 sandwich breads. If you're having medium sized bread means you can take 5. Take 3 eggs in a mixing bowl and mix it slightly using a wire whisk. Now add in quarter cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it so that the sugar melts slightly. Add in half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add in half a liter of milk slowly and mix well. Now add in the breadcrumbs. Mix it nicely so that everything combines well. The pudding mix is ready now. Next, I'm going to prepare the butterscotch sauce. For that, take half a cup of sugar in a pan. Caramelize the sugar like the way I did it before. Once the sugar turns amber color, add in 30 grams of butter. 30 grams of butter is 2 tablespoons. Give it a stir and cook it at very low flame. Switch off the flame and cool it slightly. I'm going to add this into the pudding mix. Once the butterscotch is cooled slightly, add into the pudding mix. If you add the butterscotch sauce when hot means this will form a lump. So cool down the butterscotch sauce before adding. Add in 1 finely chopped apple. Remove the skin of the apple and chop it finely like this. Butterscotch apple pudding mix is ready now. Transfer the pudding mix into this cake tin. Now it's time to steam the pudding. Cover the cake tin with the aluminium foil and steam it. Steam the pudding in medium flame. It took nearly 1 hour for me to steam the pudding. I would say the cooking time will take 45 minutes to 1 hour depending upon the size of the pan. Insert a skewer and check. If the pudding comes out clean means it is cooked. Once the pudding is steamed, refrigerate it for 2 hours. Demold the pudding after refrigerating it so that you'll get this perfect shape. Delicious caramel apple butterscotch pudding is ready to be served now. Do try this pudding and share me the feedback. Look at the texture of the pudding, friends. This is so soft and jiggly. If you try this recipe, share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. This pudding just melts in your mouth. I hope you like this recipe. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.